Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is just a following on video from my previous video and I'm going to be doing a Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box unboxing. I have never had a Charlotte Tilbury product before, so I'm so excited. I bought this myself for Christmas, which is why I've done a separate video on it, and the reason I bought this was because on Cyber Monday Charlotte Tilbury did an offer where you could get the £300 mystery box. It was already reduced at £300 for £150, which I know is still a lot of money, and that is why I treated myself for Christmas. So this is the box that it came in. It's the traditional Charlotte Tilbury, like purpley maroon burgundy with the rose gold pattern on the front. Oh, I'm just so excited. I've not used any of the products yet because I wanted to show you. I added up how much the value of the products would be if I was to buy them separately, and it came to I think £440. So that is a lot of money that you are saving if you are wanting to try the Charlotte Tilbury products. The Magic Cream was the only item that I knew that I was getting in the box. It said in the description, and that was one of the main items that I wanted to try. I have super dry skin, so anything that's super hydrating and moisturising I'm willing to give a go. However, £50 I've always been a bit like, what if it doesn't work? But you were guaranteed 10 full-size items in here. It might have been 11, we'll find out. And the makeup bag as well, so I think it's 10 items plus the makeup bag for £150. So moving straight into it, the first item is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Magical Facial Dry Sheet Mask. Expert facialist results in just 15 minutes. It comes in this absolutely gorgeous luxury rose gold packaging. I'm super excited to try this. I think on its own this is £18, so it's not the cheapest for a face mask, but obviously because it came in the box it was such a great value item. Moving on, there is the Latex Love Long Lasting Intense Lip Gloss that gives you instant latex lips. I'm not sure what latex lips are, but we'll find out. It is this stunning nude colour, this pink nude lip gloss. It's like a baby pink. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I absolutely love nude lips, so I'm so excited to try that. As mentioned previously, the only item that I knew that I was getting was Charlotte's Magic Cream. This is the 30ml. It's Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturiser. It's SPF 15. It comes in this beautiful pot with the rose gold top. It's not overly fragrant, which I like. It's quite delicate. Because my skin is so sensitive, that is such a huge bonus that I'm not worrying about it being really perfumed. Next, there is another lip product, and it is the Hollywood Lips, and again another really pretty pinky nude colour. This is the Hollywood Lip. Just gonna get that. Oh, it's more corally pink when you get it out. It's like this lovely colour here. I got Jack's sister the Hollywood Lips lipstick, and Jack's sister said it lasted forever, like she was drinking and things and it didn't like come off on the glass, so I'm super excited to try this. Next, I got the Brightening Youth Glow. It is anti-aging, colour correcting glow booster. I love glowy skin, so that's what the product looks like. Again, these items on their own are like £38 I think, between like £30 and £40. So to get like 10 items plus the makeup bag in a box, a nice box for £150, I was not complaining. Next item, I got this Eyes to Mesmerise Long Lasting Eye Colour in this little box. It comes in this little frosted glass pot, and it's this beautiful, really stunning bronze gold colour. I'm absolutely loving shimmery eyes at the moment. I don't know if it's just because it's winter and it just gives that really nice party season look. Some people are still having their Christmas parties now, so I don't know why it should stop just because it's 2020. The next item is this, the Charlotte Tilbury Goddess Skin Clay Mask. Goddess Skin Clay Mask visibly lifts, smooths, brightens and tightens pores for baby skin. What's not to like about that? I really like how nothing is overly fragranced. Yeah, I really don't like really overly fragranced products, so I'm smelling all these things, and the fact that I can't smell a lot is actually probably a good thing, especially when your skin is as dry as mine. The next item is the Rock and Kohl Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. I'm not sure how a pencil can be liquid, like surely that's a pen. It's called oh, they're testing me now. Verushka Mink. Verushka, that's quite a pretty name. It's like grey, kohl. I very rarely use black on my eyes. I think it's just a bit too harsh, especially because I'm dark. I'm not as dark as I used to be, but when I had dark hair, if I did dark eyes, I'd just look like Morticia. So I tend to stay away from black around the eyes. Also because I'm quite squinty, or just imprints underneath anyway. So a nice grey is probably like just enough. The second to last beauty item is the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm. Cheeky. Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. Easy. I'm not sure what's hard about highlighter, but I'm always a fan of it being easy. Oh, it's in this lovely bronze packaging just here. If I can. Oh, it's a pull. It's not a twist, it's a pull. It's got this little spongy thing on the end, and I'm guessing you just dab it on there. I might give it a swatch, you know. Why not? Video's sake. Oh, oh, it's arriving. Okay. Oh, it's not the colour I thought it was. It's like an orangey colour. It's like the colour of the packaging. Okay. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm not seeing much of a glow there. Oh, actually, yeah. I think now it's settled in. I think now the product's settled in. It has got like a goldy shimmer to it. It's not blinding, but I think Charlotte Tilbury is quite subtle makeup anyway. It's quite natural. No, that is actually really pretty. I can imagine with a tan, that would be super, super nice. The final beauty item is the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner. So I think that's just lip liner. It's called Savage Rose. Ooh. Oh, it's red. Okay. Okay. I'm not usually a red lip kind of girl, but I'm sure we can bend the rules. That is so nice. It's like such a deep red, but also bright. Real life, it's like quite blood red, like almost the same colour as the packaging in real life, but on camera it looks brighter than it is. So there you go. So that's the true colour of it. I think that's as true as I'm going to get on camera. It's a really nice deep blood red, and I think that's going to be so pretty like over winter, because in the UK it's winter pretty much all year round anyway, so you can get away with it. You can get away with a festive lip. Oh, it came out the bottom! I opened both sides! Oh god, where did it go? Let's pretend that didn't happen. Finally in the box I got this Charlotte Tilbury makeup bag. I think this is also about £18 as well. So yeah, just super duper 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 nice. It's quite a good size actually, because it's like deep as well. You could use it as a pencil case I suppose if you wanted. It's got a pocket inside. I've already got a few brushes in this. Yeah, it's a really good size bag actually. It's lined black inside, which I like. So yeah, that was everything that I got in the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. I think if they do these boxes again, which I think they will because it was so popular, I would definitely recommend it. It's not like those mystery boxes where you pay a certain amount and they just give you like all the leftovers from like the previous stock or colours that don't really sell. Like they've put the best sellers in there, which I was just absolutely so shocked by, because I was expecting to get like just the magic cream and like a few lipsticks and things that I might not necessarily use, but I know that I will use every single one of those items. Again, it's not the cheapest, but it is still so much better value than buying them all individually. So if you like a bit of a surprise, that's why I liked the idea of getting it myself for Christmas, because I waited until Christmas Day to have a little sneak peek at what was in there and showing it to you guys. It's been fantastic. I'm so pleased. Yeah, I would definitely keep an eye out for if Charlotte Tilbury do the mystery boxes again. I'm sure they will. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. I love you. Oh, I'll see you soon. Bye. Say bye, friends.